Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the heating issue on the Redmi A5. Now, first of all, just go to the recent apps section and close all the recent apps on your smartphone. Now, once you have done that, just go to the settings app. From here, just scroll down and tap on About Phone. From here, just scroll down and tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now, once you enable developer options, just go back and tap on system. From here, just scroll down and tap on developer options. Now, in the search bar, just search background process limit. Now, just tap on background process limit. Now, from here, just tap on background process limit. Now from here, just select at most 2 processes. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and delete any unused app on your smartphone. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the app icon and tap on uninstall. Just like that. From here, tap on OK. Now just do the same with all the other unused apps on your smartphone. Just open the settings app. From here, just scroll down and tap on system. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on system updates. Now from here, just check if your smartphone has any software update available. If your smartphone has any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. Now once you update the software of your smartphone, just go back. Now from here, just swipe down from the top of your smartphone and open the control center. Now from here, just disable any unnecessary connections from here. Like if you're not using Bluetooth, just disable Bluetooth. If you're using Wi-Fi, just disable the mobile data. And also make sure you disable the location services. Just like that. From here, just go back to the settings app. Now just scroll down and tap on display. From here, just enable adaptive brightness. Now for the last tip to fix the overheating issue on your Redmi A5 is just do not use your smartphone when it is charging. Now if you do that, your smartphone will start overheating. And this is how you can fix the overheating issue on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.